Hello everyone, I'm your Rani Subramanian. I welcome you all to Kesaria Textile Manufactures. Today also I brought for you the exclusive collections from Kesaria Manufactures. You can directly buy from factory where these collections, if I talk about, these are heavy demanded collections, lehengas collections. These lehengas which starts from factory cost of 400 rupees. So let's see what all the collections is updated from this Kesaria Manufacturers. Please watch this video and I request everyone you're really interested to start this lehenga segment and a clothing business to directly tie up. Please subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon over there. So please, for regular updates you can watch and you can do online shopping. If I talk about Kesaria lehengas, the lehengas starts from just 400 rupees of side wear and functional wear lehengas. And if I talk about the bridal lehengas, which starts from designer heavy concept of 1000 rupees of Indian cost of money, these lehengas have demand at the market, especially if I talk about the NRI countries like Singapore, Malaysia, Los Angeles, Canada, many more countries like the places where you can have the specific showroom for these lehengas and you can sell easily and you can see a profitable margin business. So let's see the samples. Here is the collections and here is the collections of the samples over here. The bridal come the side wear lehengas. So first pattern, if I talk about the lehengas, first is a color contrast of settle and a pastel color of this lehenga, which is a lavender color with the thread work and the stone work finishing. And this is a curving cut you can see here, the heavy designer. Here is a concept and the sequence work has been done. And here are the multiple layers. This is a 2-layer and this is a can over here and this is a pattern of this can how it gives a shape of when we wear it. Especially the Indian women wear for the mehendi functions, haldi functions and for the cider parties and for the designer lehengas of such varieties. If I talk about one more pattern, here is a designer bridal collection. Nowadays this color is most demanded at the market and this light cookies color with this combination of the maroon color with the combination of Rama color which has highlighted with the piping work of the golden work at the edge of this. You can see the plain finishing and multi-designer lehenga I can say. And here is the top of this is a lengthy can which has placed over here. So this is a beautiful manufactured lehengas you can see and every lehenga you can see a tag of the Kesaria and there's a pattern also mentioned by the code. And if I talk about one more lehenga, it's again if I talk about the side wear and the party wear, only handwork designer is a pastel color with the silver finishing you can see here, which is a fully concept of the handwork. So such a beautiful, it's a Chico, I can say the work which I've done and the beautiful designer semi-stitched blouse you will get over here. Just we have to alter and we have to stitch. This is the front part and this is the back. This is the back portion I can say and this is the hand part. See how the designer lehenga and this is the veil collection. Such a beautiful veil of net finish which has given you. See. So this is the veil. So veil, there is a placed which is a lace which is placed according to the lehenga. If I talk about the velvet lehengas, there is a velvet fabric which is only designer of stonework, heavy traditional look for the bridal and semi-bridal they wear. This is the one more concept. Only the fabric of 90 by 90 of the velvet fabric which you see. And this is a beautiful dupatta, the veil I can say here, the fully designer blouse. Yeah, this is the top which we have to stitch it. And this is the red color finished of the veil collection. There's a chemki over here, the bridal, see, such a beautiful concept. If I talk about the pastel color, one more the designer fancy, the pastel color lehenga. This is also pastel subtle color which we need only. These colors are having heavy demand out of countries and if you want to invest on something, I can suggest you invest on the lehengas showroom. Especially for the lehenga showroom, you can invest and you can make it money. All season time favorite for the out of India the Indians who stay out of India, they need such collections where they won't get it. And most of this such varieties which are manufactured in India, especially in Surat, these designer heavy lehengas are exporting to the entire worldwide. So here is also beautiful such lehenga. You can see here how it has been placed. So I can only suggest you, please visit. And you have to, if you want to purchase, you can do online shopping. We do provide you the sea services, cargo services also. Transport, shipping safe and securely. You will reach out your stock once you pay according to your Indian money, $100, where 80,000 or 50, 60,000, you can only purchase lehengas. You can purchase from your place. And we do have a sales executive team. And here also we do have a team here to communicate you when you're visiting India on your vacation time. You can directly visit to Surat, the Kesaria Textile Factory, which is located at Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building 1, and first floor. You can visit here to communicate, coordinate you according to your taste. Women's ethnic wears, multiple segments like ready-made kurtis, salwar material, varieties of saris, party wear, regular wear, daily wear, cotton sari, printed saris, and many more varieties like crop top, Indo-Western. You will get the peplum, sharara, this lehengas of designer matching collections, one place where you can purchase at Kesaria. And these collections, if we talk about, just starts from 400 rupees to approximately, we do have a higher range of collections with 15 to 20,000. But these collections, it goes for 60, 70, even these lehengas are selling for the lakhs. So I can only tell you to invest if you're interested to start your clothing business, and you can directly tie up with Kesaria, not required any third person. Subscribe this channel for the regular updates. So next videos, I'll come up with many more new segments. Please share with your friends, relatives who are really interested to have a lehenga boutique or showroom. So now, please let me know which collection you liked it from this collections in the comment box, and let me know what kind of segments you are looking to have look a video. So I'll upload the video according to that, and keep supporting. Next video will meet up. Till then, take care. Thank you.